This is Dick Slonsky from Senior Analyst for ARC Advisory Group. Today I'm here with Gonzalo Merchan, Director of Energy Solutions for EMC IIG. Welcome, Gonzalo.
Thank you.
Nice to have you here. Today we want to ask you a few questions about EMC's energy solutions. So I would start with, I wonder if you could tell me a bit about EMC's IIG's Information and Intelligence Group's energy solutions.
For this year, we are going to be focusing very much in optimizing the plant life cycle. So we believe that the core of the companies in the energy sector, whether it's an oil and gas company, a utility, a mining company, at the core of their expertise and capital investment are the plants. And so we have introduced a series of solutions called Engineering, Plant and Facilities Management. And these solutions will optimize critical process along the plant life cycle from engineering, procurement, and construction all the way down to the commissioning. So we introduced a solution called EPFM for capital projects, a very successful solution, January of last year. And this year, mid-year, we're going to introduce another solution called EPFM for asset operations. And that solution will focus on optimizing the production and maintenance of plants and facilities.
Today, how is EMC addressing environmental, health, and safety regulations?
You know, as we know, this is a highly regulated industry, so we hear time and time again from our customers that compliance and regulations is a critical issue for them. So we have built a specific solution to help them address those issues. So from optimizing basically how they isolate content, how they archive it, to optimizing how they submit information to those regulators. And so many of our customers, in fact, are using our solutions in Documentum to optimize the environmental health and safety regulations and submittals.
Can you tell me about EMC's integration architecture solutions?
We believe from the inception of Documentum that we needed to be an open architecture specific to the solution strategy. We are going to follow that same lead. We have an open architecture. We believe that to be a real player in the plant life cycle, you have to be open to integration. So for example, in the asset management area, we will have integrations to things like Maximo for maintenance, to Ventex, and to a lot of the maintenance systems that are used widely. In the EPC area for construction and engineering, we have integrations with the most widely used CAD systems in the industry, like AutoCAD and MicroStation. So we believe basically that we have to have our core solution integrated with leading vendors in this space.
Thank you. Today, what role do your partners play in your solution set?
They play an integral and expanding role. These partners, basically we have two types of partners. One partner is the ISV, and these are partners that provide complementary solutions to our stack, to our solution stack. Just to give you a small example, we have a company called BTM, for example, that provides drawing management for our solution. We have another company called IGC that provides viewing and markup capabilities on top of our solution. So those are the ISV. They develop complementary solutions sitting on top of the Documentum and our solution platform. And then we have also relationship with the leading global system integrators in the world, companies like Accenture, Deloitte, Capgemini, and we provide services with them for global companies in the energy space. So they provide the services, we provide the solution, and it's a great relationship going forward.
How does EMC support the energy vendors and subcontractors today?
So we know that one of the things that is common, whether you are working on a capital project or you are working on a plant, you are constantly dealing with hundreds, if not thousands, of subcontractors or vendors. And so one of the benefits of being in the leading ECM platform in the world, Documentum, is that you can expand that information and ensure that you can allow subcontractors and vendors to access that information in a secure and a scalable way. So Documentum is the #1 ECM player in the energy sector, And one of the key benefits that our customers are receiving from implementing our technologies is that the collaboration area, the ability to access content that is up to date, that is secure, and global in nature, right? A lot of these contracts are global in nature, so we can send information, across the world in support of these projects.
Gonzalo, thank you very much for being with me today.
Thank you.
Today we've been with Gonzalo Marchand of EMC. Thank you all for watching.